The BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe is made exclusively at BMW Group Plant Leipzig, where production of the second generation is now being launched. It joins the BMW 1 Series, BMW 2 Series Active Tourer and MINI Countryman in the portfolio of models made at the plant, which puts out up to 1,300 vehicles a day. The 4 models with 3 different drive options by 2 different brands are all made on a single production line, a testament to the extreme flexibility of production at Leipzig. The BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe is due for market launch in March 2025. 5 years ago, the 4-door coupe for the compact segment was an all-new product presented by BMW as a more luxurious alternative to the classic sedan. Production of the first BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe started in Leipzig on November 1, 2019, with market launch in March 2020. The main markets have been the UK, China, and the US. Sporty, elegant design. The new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe is captivating, with its expressive styling, completely new range of engines, extensively revised suspension technologies and an innovative system for partially automated driving and parking that comes as standard. It has also gained 25 mm in height and 20 mm in length. The exterior design is defined by a low front section angled deep to the road, a dynamically elongated silhouette and a powerful-looking rear, lending the new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe even more sporty elegance. The tailgate is assembled with the help of a completely new production machine that was installed at the Plant Leipzig body shop specially for the purpose and features laser beam welding technology. Like the new BMW 1 Series, which has been rolling off the production line since July, the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe features the striking, broad BMW kidney grille with its innovative combination of vertical and diagonal bars. From March 2025, this will be available with an optional illuminated surround as well. New engines and colors. The redesigned interior of the 4-door BMW 2 Series Coupe is entirely leather-free and comes complete with curved display, just like all the other BMW models made in Leipzig. Re-engineered seats offer enhanced comfort, especially on longer journeys. The top-of-the-range version is the BMW M235 xDrive Gran Coupe, powered by a 221 kW per 300 horsepower 4-cylinder engine, combined fuel consumption according to WLTP, 8.2 to 7.5 L/100 km, combined CO sub-2 sub emissions according to WLTP, 185 to 170 G/km, fuel consumption according to PKW NVKV, 8.2 L/100 km, CO sub-2 sub emissions according to PKW NVKV, 185 G/km, CO sub-2 subclass according to PKW NVKV, G. At market launch in March 2025, the engine portfolio will include another petrol engine plus 2 diesel options. The compact BMW 2 Series 4-door is currently available in 2 unicolor, 7 metallic and 4 BMW individual finishes as well as a wide range of BMW individual special paints. An optional contrast roof is also available, in high-gloss black. Plant extension and night shift support increased production volume. With the production launch of the second-generation BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe, the model family at BMW Group Plant Leipzig is now complete. The new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe, BMW 1 Series, BMW Active Tourer, MINI Countryman and our first fully electric model, the MINI Countryman Electric, make for good capacity utilization at Plant Leipzig. Our products are very popular with customers, says Plant Director Peter Hansel. BMW Group Plant Leipzig has been undergoing comprehensive extension since 2018 and can now manufacture up to 350,000 cars a year, 100,000 more than previously. Since November 2023, its production volumes have increased thanks to the MINI Countryman, making it the only BMW Group plant to manufacture cars by 2 brands on the same production line. Plant Leipzig can produce up to 500 MINI and approximate 800 BMW vehicles a day, with increased volumes helping to secure employment and generating as many as 900 new jobs in vehicle production alone. in 2024. Since opening for business in 2005, Plant Leipzig introduced night shifts in assembly for the first time in September of this year and now manufactures BMW and MINI vehicles round the clock in 3 shifts.